What's up, everybody? Looks like the Bitcoin ETF has been approved. It's going to be fun to see what happens here. We'll let the stream build up. I just went live without telling anybody. But we're going to start telling people. Give me a moment. How's everybody doing today? Let me know if you guys can hear. You guys can hear okay? How is the audio? So we can see that I'm up about 1,400 bucks on this trade so far. Bitcoin 46,000. Awesome. So it does look like the Bitcoin ETF is approved. I don't think any major sources have come out and confirmed it though. But if we go to the SEC website, we can see all these ETFs are saying they're approved. They're not going to be able to be traded today, though. They're going to be live tomorrow. These Bitcoin ETF experts have been spot on the money. Spot on the money, for sure. And they said it was going to be approved today and go live tomorrow. They've called this thing out months ago. So we'll wait for some more headlines to come in. Let's see if we got any headlines, any new headlines. So yeah, on the SEC website, we can see that the ARK21 shares Bitcoin has been accepted. Effective date today. So it's effective. It's filed, accepted, and it's effective. So it looks like it's been approved. It looks like it's been approved. But I do not see any official approval from the SEC. We don't see any major headline approval yet. What I think these are is like the first step right before they get approved. So I don't think technically they've been approved yet. I don't think they've been approved yet. And before we go get into the live stream, make sure you guys all smash up the like button. Make sure you all are subscribed if you want awesome crypto content, daily content, accurate content, not misleading content, not a lot of clickbait. And if you guys want to trade cryptocurrencies, I'm up $1,200 today in the last couple of hours. You guys can use Blowfin, the link I just posted there, and they're giving away $2,000 in deposit bonuses. It's a platform I trade on, and we're going to give away $100 to someone that opens up an account today. When you open up an account, post your UID in the chat. Post your UID in the chat. And we'll send you that $100 for free. All you have to do is open the account for free and you'll have the free $100 in your account. So if we take a look at Bitcoin here on a technical level, we can see that Bitcoin back tested and retested the previous resistance. This was resistance, broke above, rejected, broke above. Now we're retesting. So that's a very bullish sign. If you are a bull, if you want Bitcoin to go up, that is a pretty bullish sign. I'm going to be honest with you. So we're back testing, and maybe we break above this resistance today with the ETF approval news. Maybe. Another coin that's doing really well today is Ethereum, because now that the Bitcoin ETFs are basically approved, the Ethereum and XRP ETFs are now going to be able to happen. So they're going to file the Ethereum ETFs very, very soon from after today. Now that they've got the Bitcoin ETFs approved, then they're going to do Ethereum and then XRP. So that's why Ethereum has reacted really, really well. XRP hasn't moved yet, but this coin is being suppressed. This coin is going to do really, really well. A lot of breaking news. You guys should check out my latest video. I just made a video about all the great news that happened with XRP in just the last 24 hours. Go to okay, so according to Fidelity, we can see that they've now listed the Van Eck and ARK ETFs. So if you're on Fidelity, it's a brokerage platform where you can buy and sell stocks. You can go on there, you can actually see the ticker symbols for a couple of Bitcoin spot ETFs. Is it fake news? No, the ETFs, they are now listed on all these brokerages where you can buy. There hasn't been official documentation saying that they've been approved, but it's basically, we're honestly just any minute away from the SEC and everybody announcing they are approved. So it's going to happen, and probably happen, I'm thinking between 4 and 6 p.m. That's what the experts are saying. Between 4 and 6 p.m. we should get the official news. But we can see on the SEC website that these ETFs are basically live. I'm going to keep trying to get more information, but we have a whole bunch of headlines that keep coming out, and I'm going to feed you guys the headlines as soon as they come out. While we're waiting for the headlines, I'm going to show you guys my Twitter. You go to my Twitter here. Okay, look at this. The CBOE approves the following spot Bitcoin ETFs for listing on its exchange pending SEC approval. So we can see on all these exchanges, Fidelity, JP Morgan, Chase, whatever bank basically you use to buy and sell stocks, brokerages, that these are all listed. They're all listed. So now we're just waiting for the SEC to give the go ahead. But look at this. If you guys go to my Twitter, make sure you guys follow my Twitter. I post incredible free information all the time. Ripple is doing a buyback of $285 million in shares. And this is what happens before they do an IPO. And when they do an IPO, it's going to shoot the price of XRP up massively. So that's very, very exciting. And so according to the Bloomberg analyst for the ETFs, Eric Balchunas, this guy is the GOAT when it comes to ETFs. You guys can follow him. But he posts constantly about the Bitcoin ETFs, and he knows exactly everything about it. So he says happy ETF approval day. And he said that he expects in the ballpark of 4 to 6 p.m. today Eastern that we should get the approvals. You can see this trade is up $1,400. $50,000 trade up 1,400. Hopefully I can ride this thing up today, make a few thousand. Try to make a few thousand every day. If you guys are in my group, the Patreon, I post alerts for long signals, when to long, when to short, and also altcoins, when to buy and sell them. And coins that do like 50x's, 10x, 10x's, 100x's. We get a couple of those a year. But yes, we're going to be doing some analysis on altcoins. But before we do, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. We're going to get into our analysis. Which is also sponsored by Algosniper. So Algosniper is a trading indicator that I developed. And this thing is incredible. Tells you exactly when to buy, when to sell cryptos. You guys can try today for free at algosniper.com. So let's get the likes up, and then we're going to do some analysis on altcoins. Sorry about that, guys. Had to use the restroom real quick. But man, this thing is spiking. This thing is spiking. Grab the dip with 200x leverage this morning. That's amazing. Where are you guys all from? Let me know where you guys are from in the comments. Give you guys a proper shout out. So this trade is up $1,600, sorry. $1,600. Amazing, amazing. Boom. Awesome to see this. Trail Boss. How's it going, man? Kevin from Iowa. Steven from the Philippines. Joseph from Sarasota. I'm in Sarasota right now, actually. 41 Burns, Texas. North Carolina, Christina. SFO, G-Town. Is the ETF approved or not? It's basically, we're just waiting for the announcement, but all the exchanges are showing that they can be tradable tomorrow. And we're just waiting the SEC official approval, but it's looking very good. The chances of us getting the approval today is extremely high, like 99.9%. Between 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern. So it's basically approved. Philippines, Canada, Brazil, Mongolia. Longing from Australia. Peter, how's it going, brother? Jarrett from Philly. Adam from Poland. How's it going, Adam? Good to see you. Mon from LA. Paul from North London. Canton, Ohio. Chicago, Dubai. East Texas. Armando. Charts are all going up, aren't they? Okay, look at this. Bitcoin is just on a tear. XRP. XRP is making a move right now. Everything is about to bounce up. I think everything is about to bounce up. for sure. Take a look at Ethereum. It's continuing. It's breaking out right now. Ethereum is very bullish. This coin right now is going to be very bullish now that the Bitcoin ETFs are approved, because now the Ethereum ETFs can be approved. This is a really good coin. So on the next crash or dip, guys, this is a coin you want to load up for the bull run. Wow, Matic up 5%. I hold some spot Matic. So Matic just gave us a buy alert on Algosniper on the 4-hour time frame. Amazing. I think Matic is going to make a big move here. Polkadot. I mean, look at all the altcoins. It looks like they formed a bottom. TIA is moving up. We have Bonk, I think, is actually starting to move up. The stock market's moving up. The NASDAQ is moving up. Everything is moving up today, except the dollar. The dollar is going down, and that's certainly what we want to see. We have FET token. Pepe coin. I think Pepe is going to do really well this bull run. GRT, still pretty bearish. We got a seller at Algosniper at the top. When this thing flips green, gives us a buy alert, Algosniper. That's going to be a good time to get in. The Living Monk. How's it going, brother? Pleasure to have you here. Shalom. From Israel. Say token. This coin is absolutely insane. Myro. This is a good one. INJ. Looks like it's getting ready to pop again. Avalanche. I think Avalanche, hint, I think Avalanche is getting ready to make another move. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Looks like it's found support. Dogecoin. Looks like it's found support as well. Hey, Big Curb from Fort Lauderdale. What's up, Finn? How's it going? Everybody say hi to Finn. He's in the chat. He's a legend. He's over at Blowfin. It's the exchange that we trade on. I mean, look at this trade, guys. It's up $1,600. And if you guys open up an account on Blowfin, Finn is going to post the link. We're giving away $100 away. We're giving away $100 away. So open up an account, post your UID in the chat so we can send you that $100 to your account. We're going to send it today. I mean, look at this. Now make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and that you guys are following and subscribed with notifications on. Follow my Twitter. Like my Twitter, I'm connected to a lot of news outlets and news sources, so that when really important information comes out, I post it immediately and we'll repost it. It's a really, really good thing that you guys should do. So follow my Twitter. And I put out a lot of very accurate information when it comes to trading and investing and my thoughts. And if you guys want to have access to Algosniper, you guys can try today for free. Start your 7-day trial. Go to algosniper.com. All these different indicators that's really going to help you in the market to know when to get in and out. But it looks like Bitcoin is going to keep pushing and pushing and pushing. Yeah, we'll check ICP as well. Rodney from the Netherlands. Rodney from the Netherlands. Is it clickbait? That's a good question. Well, we can see on the SEC's website that these ETFs, they've been accepted. They're effective right now. So they've basically been approved. We're just waiting on the official announcement. So our trade, our live trade is now up $1,800, so about $2,000. If we keep holding this thing and the market pumps up, it's going to be good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my stop loss to break even. So I'm reducing all of my risk at this point. I probably will start to trim some profits here soon. It's always good to lock in profits. It's always a good thing to lock in profits whenever you're in a trade. And this market moves really, really fast. And I'm really thankful to have everybody here. I love each and every one of you. I appreciate all of you. I'm glad you guys could show up to the live stream. A word about ADA. Absolutely. Okay. So Cardano, I'm going to take out the indicators. We can see that this was a very important support level for Cardano, $51,000, and we've now reclaimed this support. So we took out all the stop losses, all the liquidity, and we've reclaimed the support. If Cardano can hold above here, then I think we're going to push minimum to these highs and probably new highs for the year. That's what I see for Cardano. And notice that low, this low that we made 2 days ago, lines up exactly with our previous resistance. Last year's high before the new high in April. So last summer's high, 45 cents. We're retesting it. So resistance, broke out, retested. This is pretty bullish. If we start breaking under 45 cents, then we probably will see a deeper pullback to like 39, potentially 33 cents. I'm not really seeing that in the cards, but it's certainly possible. It really depends on how the market responds to this Bitcoin approval. And yesterday's shakeout, the crash and dump, I think that was the selling. That's going to be the selling. British Columbia. Okay, let me check Sol. Somebody wants me to check Solana. So Solana is $97 right now. Solana has just basically 10x. So I'm expecting a deeper pullback for Solana while the market continues to push higher. Like I think $68, $79 is going to be really good areas to get into spot, to have a spot exposure. So we're going to get some more headlines coming soon with all these ETF applications. We can see on the SEC website that these ETFs are effective right now. So it's not a deceiving headline. ETFs are going to be approved today. Oh, you're welcome, brother. Now make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up. If you want to be able to long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage, use my Blowfin link in the comments. We're giving away $100 today for free. And also, there's a $2,000 deposit bonus that you guys can have access to today by using that link. And it has the cheapest fees of any platform that you can use. You don't need a VPN. It's an awesome platform. I love it. Get a little bit of selling here. And we're basically just waiting on headlines. Let me see if I can get us some headlines here. Okay, check this out. So a Congressman Collins has reportedly bought Ethereum today. These people are loading up on Ethereum today. It's amazing. So Fidelity's trading platform lists ARK and VanEck Bitcoin spot ETFs. We can see the pictures here. So if you use your Fidelity account right now, we can see that you can actually type in today the VanEck and the ARK Bitcoin ETF. Market's selling off a little bit. Down about 1.5% from the top there. So we're still waiting on an approval, an official approval from the SEC. The ETF should be approved today, yes. Should be approved. They are saying the ETF should be approved between 4 to 6 p.m. So we have a few hours left. I would imagine at those times that we're certainly going to get the approvals. This market has been super volatile. That was a massive sell candle. Like this here, that all that volume right there, that was massive. See if I can go take a little bit more look at what's going on here. On this platform, I can see like the intricacies of what happened. So basically somebody closing a long position. That's what it was. Somebody closed a big long position there, which I don't blame them. And that's what caused that dump. We can see that by the perp delta. So perps are people longing like me. How I'm long. And how I'm up $1,400. This is a perp trade. Let's take a look at the open interest. Yeah, we can see that that was a big long position closing there. And we see the huge wipe in open interest. Open interest is the amount of active futures contracts for people trading on margin, perps. When you see a big move like that, it's a big position closing. So what does it mean if the Bitcoin ETFs get approved? Well, what it means is that you have a lot of people that have a lot of money in Fidelity, Charles Schwab, all these platforms. These are brokerages. And these people, their funds are safe and secured, and they're managed by wealth management advisors. stockbrokers basically. And they don't want to pull their money out of these platforms to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. You know, they can get hacked. They don't know what to do. It's kind of difficult. And so what this allows is for all these people now, trillions of dollars, to just buy Bitcoin as a stock, which is what an ETF is. And the ETF is a stock that's backed by the physical Bitcoin. So the more people that buy the ETF, the more that people are actually buying in physical Bitcoin. Not them buying it physically, they're just buying the stock, but the people that hold the ETFs, they have to buy the physical Bitcoin. So over time, it's a very, very bullish thing. Like whether it goes up or down today, it doesn't matter. It's a very bullish thing for the long run of cryptos and Bitcoin. And this is going to pave the way for Ethereum and XRP ETFs, which means all this money that's trapped in traditional finance can now enter into crypto. I'm still up $1,400 in this trade. I might close it soon. Might let it ride out, see what happens. So as the headlines pour in, I will be showing you guys the headlines. Nothing new at this point. So just in, the spot Bitcoin ETF applicant ARK Invest says the SEC hack will not delay the ETF decision. And that was a 1.6% dump. That was a pretty big one. I think by the end of the day, this thing's going to be way up there. And Ethereum is now breaking out. This is a very bullish coin for Bitcoin. A very bullish candle. Look at this candle right here. Inverted hammer. That's a very, very, very bullish pattern. Very bullish candle, sorry. I hope everyone is having a good day so far. The ETF is going to be approved between 4 to 6 p.m. today. Probably sooner. Do you guys think that the market is going to go down on the approval or go up? Let me know in the comments below. Are we going to go down or up? If when the official approval announcement comes out. Up. Okay. See a lot of selling right here on the right side. Yeah. Send it up, right? I think we're going to go up too. I think we're going to go up too. After that big sell-off yesterday, this morning, I think that's the bottom. I don't think that there's going to be a massive pump when the official approval comes out. I really don't. I think it's going to be a pump, then maybe dump, consolidate. And then I think the real pump is probably going to come next week. And the reason why I titled the video is because I'm just seeing from all over, from a whole bunch of news sources, that it's approved. And we can see even on the SEC website that the effectiveness date is today. And certification by an exchange proving securities for listing. So we see the certification here. We see that it's effective today. That has been accepted today at 11 a.m. this morning. So that's the reason for the title of the video. Is amazing. Look at this. It works for every cryptocurrency, but it gave us a buy alert for Bitcoin at $25,000, which you can keep riding. Keep riding. It will tell you when to get out. It will tell you when to get out. You guys can try Algosniper today for free. Algosniper.com. Yeah. I don't think it's possible for the ETFs to be denied. That's impossible, honestly. This type of documentation doesn't happen if there's going to be a delay or they're denied. Now, if you guys click the top link. If you guys click that top link in the chat, it's going to send you to Blowfin, where we're giving away $100 for free. So open up an account, post your UID in the chat. But you guys can claim up to $2,000 in deposit bonuses and also have the cheapest fees on any trading platform. If you guys want to be trading crypto, you need to be doing it on a trading platform, not an exchange. An exchange is where you buy and sell the crypto, not trade it. Like, you can just basically drag where you want your stop loss to be with a click of a button. You can put with the click of a button where you want to take profits. It's just super simple, super fast to trade on. And the fees are so much cheaper than trading on Coinbase or crypto.com or Kraken. Way cheaper, way cheaper. It's my indicator. It's actually my indicator. I developed it. But you guys can try it today for free. Okay, so now all of the 11 spot Bitcoin ETF tickers are currently added to the Bloomberg terminal as pending listing. So the only thing that needs to be done, there's no more amendments, no more paperwork, is the SEC to say yes. That's it. That's all we're waiting on. It's going to happen today. It's going to happen today between 4 to 6 p.m. But this is something very special I want to share with you all. Now look at this. This is insane, guys. If we go to the XRP chart, I'm going to share with you guys something crazy. XRP is in a massive golden cross right now on the weekly time frame, which is actually absolutely huge. So this is the weekly, we're going to go to the weekly time frame. This is insane. The last time XRP had a golden cross, which is the 20 EMA, the 50 EMA crossing over the 200, we had a 500% move. 500% move. That's insane. Absolutely insane. Let me see if we can find an older XRP chart and we can see the one prior to that. XRP. Let's see. Maybe this one. No. For some reason I can't find an older chart. Bitstamp. Okay. It was basically around here. And after that golden cross, we saw a lot of numbers here. 11,000% after that previous golden cross. And XRP has confirmed the golden cross, so it's looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good. So the trade is back up to $1,600 in profit. Getting some more volume coming in here. It's going to be a crazy day. It's going to be really crazy. The bulls are taking charge. So yeah, we can certainly see in all the major financial institutions' websites that these ETFs are listed. They've been listed today. So you can literally go on Fidelity and look up these ETFs and you can start to put in an order. It's not going to fill or go through because they're not approved yet. Should I take profits? Yeah, I'm probably going to take profits soon. Maybe at 2,000. Maybe at 100,000. I don't know. Okay, guys, we have almost 700 people in here. Let's give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed with notifications on for my daily crypto content. Make sure you also are following my Twitter. I post very important free information on there. Very important information. You guys can follow my trades there. Highly recommend it. Now, if you guys want to have access to my profitable trade alerts that I post every single week, guaranteed your money back, join the Patreon. I just posted that link. You guys can follow my trades there. $70K today. Thomas Landon says we're going to 70K. All right, so Bitcoin is pumping up again. See if we can get to 47,000. What time could it be getting approved? Between 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, so we're up $1,800. And if this thing goes to 70K, that'd be cool. That would be cool. Shout out to Finn. Love you, bro. Beautiful bounce this morning. All right, the market is sending, boys. We're printing right now. We're printing. If you guys want to join my free Telegram where I'm active daily, you guys can talk to me. Salam alaikum, brother. That's the link for the Telegram. So you guys can click that. And I'm active there every day. I have a great, awesome community, very positive. A bunch of people that will just help you to make money in crypto. That's all we're here for. We're here to make money. I make money consistently. And I want to help you all make money like I do. Usama from Pakistan. How's it going, brother? So it looks like XRP is moving. Ethereum is moving. Cardano is starting to move. Solana is moving. I think Solana wants to bounce for sure. What about Render? Grok is starting to bounce up. Render. Damn. I think altcoins have found a good support. Avalanche. Let's take a look at Avalanche. AVAX. Yep. I think alts are going to bounce here, guys. Jake, that's funny, bro. I love that meme. I think we're going to get another big pop here soon. Maybe. What's up, Dylan? How's it going, brother? 10K ETH by December. If they have a ETF, I think we could probably hit 4 to 5K by December. But the market could be really, really, really bullish. Much more bullish than everyone is thinking. Market is very, very, very volatile. It moves up and down very quick. It's going to be crazy when the SEC announces the ETF approval. It's probably going to go up and down, down or up. It's going to go crazy. Is it possible to postpone again? It's possible, yeah. It's just not very likely. Based on all the stuff that's happened with the amendments and the communication with the SEC and the issuers, it's not very likely. So it's very, 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 very likely today. The ETFs have been basically accepted but not approved. So we're just, that's the last step. Final step. Appreciate that, Dylan. So yeah, our trade is still up 1,500. I probably will take profits from this trade soon. We can see I entered here this morning at the bottom, and it's up 30%. So call it a 3% move. That's good. I'm not too greedy. What's my take on bonk? I hold spot. I'm down like 20% now. Down about 20%. We go to bonk here. Let me find it. Okay. Yeah, so I bought spots here. This is where I bought spot. And so somewhere around here. So I'm down about 20%. When bonk moves, it's gonna move big. I think we're gonna get another pump from bonk. Like one more big pump at least. And a lot of coins that die off, they do pump like at least to this, and then they'll probably die off. But it'd be cool to see it go to all-time highs again. I mean, despite the selling, Bitcoin is still pushing up. They always want to sell and shake people out before the big move up. They always do it. All right, guys, I'll get to some of your requests. But before we get to any more altcoin requests, if you guys want me to chart altcoins, we need to get the likes. We need to get the likes up. It's at 300 likes right now. We need to get it to 400 likes. Everybody just press the like button. Takes 1 second. I'd appreciate it. Let's get us to 400 likes and we're going to start doing altcoin picks. We'll do analysis of your favorite altcoins. Please don't spam the chat though. One time is enough. Thank you guys for the likes. We're at 336. We need about 60 more likes. And then we're gonna do some altcoins. Don't spam your coin though. I'll get to it for sure. But we need 60 more likes, guys. Okay, 50 more likes, and I'm gonna do your favorite altcoins. Looks like Bitcoin is still trying to push up, which is good. Okay, we need 20 more likes. 20 more likes, and we're gonna do your altcoin analysis. Nick G is right. We will know exactly when the ETF is officially approved by the SEC. The charts will show us. We will see a massive candle. A massive candle. Okay, 18 more likes. Yeah, Thomas, I think it's Coinlink as well. Okay, 5 more likes. Five more likes, guys. And then we're gonna do your altcoin analysis. Okay, we did it. We did it. Let's go. All right, GRT. So what I've been seeing for altcoins right now is that a lot of altcoins, we had the big crash and then we've had the consolidation at the support. So at GRT is that support right now. This thing should get a move up. We should get a move up. I like it. I'm liking it. On a technical level, we have our low, took out the low, holding above the low. That's bullish. This is a support. This is a bottom. That's what a bottom will look like a lot of times. Cosmos. So Atom, I believe, is the coin. Right? Yeah. Same exact thing. Same exact thing. A lot of these altcoins are doing the same thing right now. But here's the thing. We can keep going lower. And if we do break these supports and hold under, we're going to be testing our next level of support. For Cosmos will be about $8. That's our next level that the market will probably come to. But we need to start breaking these resistance. We need to start taking these resistance out if we want to make new highs. But I think that we are at least in for some type of little bounce minimum. Even if we're going to go lower, I think we have a minimum bounce like this. ICP. So ICP broke out of resistance, retested, and we're holding above. This is a bullish coin. As long as ICP remains above, this is $5. Oh no, this is not the correct one. This ICP is not $5. It's this one. Sorry, that was the market cap. Resistance, break out of resistance, retest resistance. As long as we hold above about $12, we're bullish. Very, very, very bullish. This is bullish. We should keep pushing up to new highs soon. For this year, I think ICP, like, let's zoom out here, guys. This coin is at the rock bottom. Like, this thing used to be way up there. I think it will not be hard. And do not spam, please. But I don't think it's going to be hard for ICP to get up to 50 bucks. If you guys want me to do TA in your coin, just don't spam. Put it once and we'll get to it. And give the video a thumbs up if you get something out of it. JTO. This coin seems like it has found support. Solana is now, you know, in a correction. It's kind of heading lower. But when Solana starts to take off again, this is going to be one of those coins that's going to make a big move, I think. So our trade is still up 1,700. So we're still up pretty decent. I'm probably going to end up closing this soon. Probably going to end up closing this trade soon because it's just a day trade. It's just a day trade. I have spot exposure to the market right now. So if Bitcoin pumps, cryptos pump, I'm still going to capture profits for sure. But with leverage trades, I'm looking to get in and out of the market, make $1,000, a couple $1,000 every day. And hey, I'm up 1,600 for the day. The other day I was up 4,000, 5,000. So it's another couple $1,000s for me to withdraw to my bank. Arbitrum. Thank you. Thank you for asking that question. I need to do an analysis on ARB. Okay, it's an Ethereum-based token. Very bullish coin. Although it does look like it's went absolutely crazy, which I mean it has done. It's only up 200% from the bottom. This coin above this level, $1.80, is very bullish. I'm thinking that it could possibly pull back down, but once it breaks back above, which it's kind of doing right now, there's going to be a breakout trade. I think this thing is going to push to $5 this year in this bull run. $5, maybe a lot more, but this is a good long-term investment, I think. Mover. Let's take a look at MOVR. Man, this coin had a crazy pump. I remember this thing when we were watching it pump the other day. Up 600%, guys. 600%. It's come down 40%. That's a pretty healthy correction. Looks like we found support. Looks like we found support. As long as we can hold above this low, this support here, it's going to be pretty bullish. I mean, we are in an uptrend. Bitcoin is in an uptrend. Everything is in an uptrend. So in an uptrend, we buy the dips. That's what you do. In the bull market, you buy the dips. Zcash. Everyone is charting Zcash lately. Man, this coin is dead. I think, I don't know anything about this coin, but I'm probably going to buy spot. I'm going to buy a spot and see what happens. A coin like this, it just bounces up a sneeze. It's at support. I mean, it's at its life support. It's at life support right now. So it's $20. It's at support. Any type of bounce in the bull market, you're looking at a 2x, 3x, 4x. But it's probably good to do some research into this coin. Why did it crash? Why did it go down? Why is it not bouncing up? What's going on with it? So Bitcoin trying to push for a new high. I'm trying to see if we have any new headlines right now, guys. So I think in 2 hours, we're going to get that approval. I think in 2 hours, I'm probably going to want to close my trade, that even though I think it probably will go up, in case it whipsaws and, you know, takes out my profits. I don't want to be a part of that situation. And that happens in futures trading. It's always good to take profits before a news event, because they could send it all the way down in like one candle, then right back up and make new highs literally in seconds. It happens all the time. It happened yesterday. Like, look at this. Yesterday, the ETF approval news came out, boom, and then all the way, look at that crazy crash. Gala, let's look at Gala, yeah. And this thing has really come down. I remember trading it a while ago. So this thing is at the bottom. Having some exposure to this coin is probably not a bad idea. It's at support. Like, a lot of coins that are at support are probably going to end up pumping big at some point in the bull run. Whether they're a good coin or not, they're just going to pump because they are coins and they're popular. People have money in them. Okay, so XRP is starting to move a little bit, guys. I think XRP is getting ready for a big pump. I think we're going to get a big candle here. A big green candle for XRP. Now make sure you guys sign up on Blowfin. It's a platform that I trade on, up to 150x leverage. There's $2,000 in deposit bonuses that you can get, and I'm giving away $100 Blowfin. They're in the chat now. They're giving away free money. $100 to anyone that opens up an account. It's free. It takes seconds. And put your UID in the chat. If you click on your username, right next to your username, you're going to see your UID. Just post it in the chat and they're going to send you money. So we should hear a decision between 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern. Okay, so we have another headline. I'm going to pull it up here in a second. CBOE BZX issues listing circulars for 6 new Bitcoin ETFs to list tomorrow, January 11th, 2024. Invesco, Franklin, ARC21, VanEck, Fidelity, Wisdom Tree, awaiting NASDAQ and N New York Stock Exchange. 19B/4 approval notices have not yet appeared on the SEC website, without which listing would not happen. Okay, so basically what it's showing now is that the first day of trading is tomorrow. The first day of trading is tomorrow. So it's approved, guys. It's approved. The only thing is just we're waiting on the approval from the SEC on their website. That's literally the only thing left. Nothing else is going to happen except the approval. Let me see if I can find the picture. I gotta find it. Oh, wow. Now it's going up. You see? That's a headline. That's it. Okay, we're up $2,000. We're up $2,000 right now. We're starting to get some volume in. Look at this big spot delta. That's a huge spot buy right there, guys. $2.6 million in Bitcoin. 2.8. Yeah, the Chads are coming. The Chads are coming, boys. And notice we're getting a big red perp delta there. That means somebody's taking profits on their long position. And there goes the dump. Wow. We can see here that CBOE says Bitcoin spot ETF to begin trading tomorrow. Look at how crazy, how fast they dump and then pump it. It's insane. FET, yeah, we'll check FET in a second. We're gonna watch Bitcoin. Oh, the market is going crazy right now. So we got 400 Bitcoin here as asks, 1,000 Bitcoin at 47,000. These are sell orders. These are limit sells for Bitcoin. So that's why we're finding great difficulty trying to break this level. It's resistance for now. Yusef from Brooklyn, welcome. FET. Yeah, another one of those coins holding at support. I think this thing is going to make another move here soon. So from October, it's up 230%. And we can see it's in a very strong uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows. We are still in an uptrend. We're still in an uptrend. Bitcoin's in an uptrend. Ethereum's in an uptrend. Everything's in an uptrend. Look at Ethereum, guys. Wow. Look at Ethereum. It's outperforming Bitcoin. It's up 5% while Bitcoin's up 1% basically. Wow, XRP broke above, came back above. CBOE issues six listing circulars for spot Bitcoin ETFs to start trading tomorrow. Just had it. Okay, here it is. Yep. So this is the official thing from CBOE. It's not approved yet. We're basically seconds or minutes away from approval, or maybe hours. But they're all going to be traded tomorrow. So it's approved, but not officially approved. I mean, that's pretty much what's happening right now. And so we can see Algosniper gave us a buy alert at the very bottom today for Bitcoin. If you'd have followed it, you'd be up almost 4%. So that's why I'm up $1,500 right now, because I followed Algosniper's buy alert. You guys can try Algosniper today for free at algosniper.com. This is algosniper.com. It's amazing. You guys need to check this thing out. So SEC approval statement will come after trading closes today after 4 p.m. So 4 to 6 p.m. So we have about an hour and 45 minutes. Let's take a look at this SPY. Yeah, for sure. The S&P 500 is certainly popping up. Wow, look at that. New high. No, not new highs in the year. It's looking good. The Dow Jones up. The NASDAQ is pumping. It's looking good. It's looking good. So the Bitcoin ETF is approved, but it's not approved at the same time. Does that make sense? Ethereum just made a new high for the year. I feel like the Bitcoin ETF approval is going to be more bullish for Ethereum and XRP. I'm not sure about EU time, but 2 to 4 hours from now, we should have the official approval by Gary himself. Yes, the indicator was on the 10-minute time frame, but if you guys watch the tutorial video on the website, it's going to really help you to understand how to use it properly. When Dogecoin ETF? So Mr. Gary at 4 is going to let us know. Oh, BTT. Man, I haven't heard of BTT in forever. Wow. This brings back some memories. This coin used to be super popular back in the day. Oh, wow. This coin is, oh my gosh. This coin is up 300% from the 6th of December. Hasn't really moved much after. But all these coins that were at support that look dead, look at what happens. They pop up 2, 3x. Shiba Inu up 25%. Nope. Matic up 7% now. Looks like Bitcoin is going to push up. Little bull flag for Bitcoin. I really appreciate everybody coming today. Awesome to vibe with you all. So we need one UID. Open up an account on Blowfin. The link is posted. It's pinned. It's a platform where you can trade crypto on. Open up a free account right now and post your UID in the chat. And we're going to give you $100 for free. Literally, all you have to do is $100. I'll give you $100 to open up an account. Somebody can beat Dylan to it, and you'll get your $100. But yeah, Blowfin is the platform that I'm now trading on, because a lot of those platforms now require KYC. You have to use VPN, but Blowfin, based on where they're at logistically, are not requiring their users to KYC. So we can use the platform as Americans. So basically on Blowfin, to get your UID, you see your profile picture, you're going to see UID. Just click that button, you'll copy it and just paste it in the chat. So we might have a headline here. Oh, you're welcome, everybody. You're welcome. Okay, so we have all 9 new ETFs with their DES pages on the Bloomberg terminal. So these ETFs are ready to go. We're just waiting on the man Gary. Waiting on Uncle Gary. We got you, Dylan. You'll get your free $100 today. The announcement should be at 4 to 6 p.m. Hey, Finn, looks like we have this guy here. He posted his UID as well. Let's get him $100. Do an extra special bonus giveaway for the Bitcoin ETF approval. Sponsored by Blowfin. It's approved, but not approved. We're just waiting on the official announcement from Gary, but everything's now set in place. The ETFs you can now visit on all these exchanges or brokerages platforms. So yeah, make sure you guys catch my next live stream where you can get your other $100. So we're going to always be giving away $100 every single live stream. So if we do 30 live streams in a month, that means $3,000 we're going to give away to you guys for free. Is it possible to postpone? The chance of that happening is like 0.001%. The chance of a Bitcoin spot ETF approval today between 4 to 6 p.m. is about a 99.69% chance. Mob Marley, what's going on, man? How you been? Long time no see. What happens if it doesn't get approved? Then they will delay it, and then they will eventually approve it. But it's going to be approved today. I'm very sure. Not financial advice, of course, but my own opinion. Based on the experts and the information that we have here, there's a 99.9% chance that we're getting approved today. Patrick, hey man, thank you so much. So our trade is still up $1,500. $4 p.m. That's Mr. Gary himself, guys. Would I take profits on the God candle after, if we get a God candle? Yeah, I would take profits. I don't know if we're going to get a God candle, guys. So I don't know if the market is going to go up or down. Nobody knows with the news. Yesterday, the market went up and then immediately crashed. So we might see the same exact thing today. But the market is looking really bullish. I mean, the market is responding bullish. So I think we probably will go up.
They ignore the things they don't want to see and go a little too far. It doesn't mean approval. FYI. That said, let's face it. I mean, we're right there if CBOE is sending them out, but it's not the same. So just wanted to say that because my guy on my team is the source of that.
I appreciate it, Eric. I was getting a lot of messages there.
Henry Jim, ETF Hearsay, puts out some great stuff as well. He's a good follow on here as well.
Yeah,
for sure.
Perfect. All right. Well, big thank you to Eric and to Jacqueline for joining us, as well as Hashdex for coming on.
So those were some of the Bitcoin ETF experts. And they're saying, you know, from all the stuff that has come out today, it's looking good. Do I see the huge sell orders around 50K? Yes. Wow, these are the biggest orders. 1.3K, 1,000. So we have a huge sell wall. One that just got removed at 46.6. Sell wall was taken out. Now we have one at 47,000. So that's going to be an area where we're going to find difficulty. And then we have a huge sell wall at 50K. That's the only wall left. Once we break above 50K, the market might top out around 50K. So if the market pumps up, we might have another 8%. I think we might top out around 50K. If we do get bullish news and the market reacts bullishly, we might pump up to 50K. Or we could just crash down. Who knows? Bitcoin's really not going to be moving much. We have about an hour until the announcement. We're probably going to chop around. So the ETFs are approved but not approved at the same time. Yeah, I think we're going to get the official announcement by Gary, the SEC, around 4, probably like right at 4. The Bitcoin ETF is going to be bullish for altcoins. Going to be really bullish for altcoins. Now, Bitcoin is pumped up as an anticipation of the ETF. Now, a lot of the altcoins are going to start pumping big after, because now altcoins can have an ETF too. The US stock exchange closes in 1 hour and 22 minutes. All right, let's see some green now. Been seeing a lot of red the past hour. Let's see some green. So we gave 2 winners away just because it's a special day. But don't worry, the next stream we do, I'm going to be streaming like Monday through Friday. But I'm just looking to get back into it consistently. And eventually I'm going to have a consistent schedule for you all. But Blowfin is an amazing platform. They give away a lot of free money. They might bless a lot of other people in here too, above the 1 or 2 winners. So make sure to put your UIDs in the chat. Dylan, did you already receive your money? ETH Maxi to Sol Maxi to ETH Maxi. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, so at some point today, you guys are going to get the free money. The ETF is going to be approved, so that's it. Wow, look at this guy here. Bought 555, 11 Bitcoin. 500K there. Another 500K there. I think the bulls are going to try to push the price up again. I think right before the ETF approval, they're probably going to dump the market. And then when the ETF comes out, they're going to pump it. Wow, Ethereum is going crazy. I should have longed Ethereum today. I didn't. I had an opportunity to long. I was like, should I long Ethereum or should I long Bitcoin? Wow, we would be up in big profits. Breaking out with confirmation, like this is a very bullish, very, very, very bullish. Matic is also taking off. Roblox token, RLB, Lava. Mover, wow. Mover's taking off. Myro is up 20% today. ARB is up 11%. Rose up 2%. Beam up 5%. Very cool. There's certainly nothing to be confused about. The Bitcoin ETFs are going to be approved. We're going to hear between 4 and 6. And the market's going to react. Nobody knows how it's going to react, though. But it's bullish news. We should go up. So. What's up, John? How's it going, brother? Hope you're doing well. Already breaking out? Let's take a look. It looks like it's found support as well. A lot of these altcoins are looking the same. We got clean support and we're bouncing off. It's funny how on the Bitcoin approval day that Bitcoin is actually underperforming while altcoins are doing better. Crazy. Buy the hype, sell the news. Yeah, it could be temporary. It could be a temporary buy the rumor, sell the news event for sure. Usually always is. It always is. So we're just going to be chilling, watching the charts and see what happens. The FBI is investigating yesterday's hack. So this is apparently the hacker. Remember how Gary's Twitter was hacked yesterday? This is apparently a doxed photo of the hacker. I wonder who that could be. The FBI should investigate Gary for sure. Gary should be fired. But if Gary becomes crypto friendly as he's basically doing now, then he's good, right? Gary should approve the ETF and then get fired. That would be awesome. Yeah. So MT thinks that BitBoy broke into the office of the SEC and posted that. I think that's probably true. Okay, so we have just about an hour and 7 minutes left until the actual approval news. Pump it. Yeah, it probably will tank before pumping. I mean, it just basically tanked a little bit. Okay, okay. We got some spot buyers coming in. That's what this is. Okay, our trade is back up. 1650. $50,000 trade. Unrealized profits we can see here below. Oh my gosh, look at ETH, guys. Going insane. XRP starting to move. Let's go. Everything is on the move today, guys. It's looking good. It's looking very good. Matic up 7%. Yay. Okay. If you guys love crypto, give this live stream a thumbs up. It helps to support me, the crypto community, and to get this live to more people that need to see it. I'd really appreciate it. If you guys got something out of it, go ahead and smash up the likes. Here we go. A little bit more volume coming in. It's approved, but not approved at the same time. We're just waiting on Gary to announce it at 4. That's all. Everything's set to go. Do I think 100 Bitcoin with 100K this year? Oh, definitely. Yeah, for sure. Not financial advice, but I think it'll do so quite easily. And Bitcoin has been bouncing in here since 2 hours, just up and down, up and down, up and down. So one thing we can notice about this pump here is that the spot CVD is driving the price, and we're seeing perps kind of take profits and deleverage. So the spot CVD is the white line going up. So that shows that basically what it means is that there's a lot of buying volume coming from a spot. So it's driving the price. And that's a pretty bullish thing. It would not surprise me if we pull back soon, though. From this pump, we pull back a little bit and then keep going up. That would not surprise me. I think we will probably do something like this, and then we get the ETF news. Maybe. And look at this buy alert for Algo at the bottom this morning. Right at the very bottom. And boom, we ride it up. This green diamond here is a bullish confirmation signal. And then look, you get a huge push. Amazing. You guys can try Algosniper today for free at algosniper.com, by the way. What time does the market close? In 53 minutes. Canary cane, man. It's certainly a good time to take off work to watch this craziness. Market looks like it's coming down a little bit now. A lot of selling volume. I'm probably going to take profits on my long position here. I'll let the news come out and then probably make another trade after. Like if the market crashes really hard, I'll probably consider a long. If it pumps super, super, super hard, then I'll probably short it. But they're trying to shake people out for sure. Past couple hours, they're trying to shake people out. But then you have a lot of people just deleveraging. So that's what these big dumps are for, is people long the bottom. They're cutting their long positions, and that's why we get these dumps. Yeah, a lot of selling coming through. Notice the perp CBD. That's people taking profits in their long position, closing longs. We're getting these big dumps there. That's quite interesting. A huge increase in open interest just now. It's going to be very interesting to see how that happens. Now, as far as the best trading strategy for today, I don't recommend trading at all when you have these crazy news events, honestly, unless you're a professional like me. But basically, if the market pumps up really, 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 really big, then I would probably look for short positions with the type stop loss or a tight invalidation. And then if the market crashes really big, I'll probably be looking for small, long positions. Try to catch a bounce. This big bounce in open interest, yep, look, it's crashing. Look at that, they just crashed it. That was somebody shorting. A huge short position. Look at that. Crazy, guys. The volatility is insane. I probably should have cut it up there, but it's okay. Yeah, this is insane. Wow. Now the open interest is tanked. It pumped and then tanked. That's crazy. They're probably going to stop me out here. Yep. Let's see if we got some headlines. Let's see if we get some headlines. Oh my gosh. This is crazy, guys. There's definitely a headline out. I'm going to try to see what it is. Definitely a headline. For some reason, my Twitter just doesn't want to load. I don't see anything. But that was crazy. Let's see what else dropped. Ethereum, yeah, everything crashed. These days like this, guys, they do this. They crash it and pump it. It's insane. This is insane. Yeah, I know. People made a lot of money shorting that. That's a 4% drop, guys. From the top to bottom, 4%. That's just insane. There has to be some news, but I don't see anything. That's what they want, though. To push it up higher, they're going to flush people out, and then they're going to drive it up higher. We have 45 minutes until the potential news. That's probably the bottom. No headline, though. No headline. This volatility is insane. Yeah, that was a massive liquidation. But remember how we were talking about this, where was it? The open interest? Like that huge spike in open interest. I was like, let's see what happens here. That's crazy. That's a big short position, and then they dumped it. And then this is a puke of all that, like long shorts that got taken out. And that's a good reset. So the market will probably bounce from that. Do I know the reason why they dumped? If somebody sold, that's it. People sold, and that's all. And we are approaching a very, very volatile event. So the Bitcoin ETF, the news is going to do that. Even if we get the Bitcoin ETF approved at 4, it's going to pump and dump it like that. And because I knew they were doing that, that's why I took my stop loss, which I had at break even. And they didn't stop me out. So you have to be really quick sometimes with that. Oh, so Finn just posted a link. So the market dumped because CBOE, I don't even know what this is. They withdrew their certification form. I don't get it. This is crazy. I'm probably going to take profits on this. I don't want to get round tripped. We'll let it bounce a little bit more. Probably just cut it. And then I'll get in. I have other positions too. So we're up $1,000 right now. We were up 2,000 at the point, at the peak. Yeah, they're always going to dump and pump. Like today, we're going to see dumps and pumps. Probably a couple of more of those. The amount of volatility is absolutely insane. It's not something that we normally experience. We don't normally see 4% pukes like that. That's insane. Everything dumped. But it's bouncing up. It's bouncing up. So these are the bonuses if you guys trade on Blowfin. You deposit $10,000, you get a $500 bonus. And if you trade $10 million in aggregate volume, you get another $1,100 bonus. For some reason, my chat was glitched. That's why I wasn't responding. Yep, no news yet. No news yet. So the announcement should be in 30 minutes. I don't think the market's going to go up on the announcement, actually. So much selling. Like yesterday, like the market basically crashed. The market just basically crashed now. There's so much selling. So much volatility. I think it's going to potentially pump up for a second like it did yesterday and then crash down and then finally bottom out and then we pump from there. So after all the crazy hype dies off, that's when I think the market's actually going to pump. So the market might not pump, you know, the first day. Sometimes the market takes time to react and it doesn't always react immediately. Nick thinks it will dump. I mean, I think it's probably going to do that. I think we get an initial pump, then it dumps. I don't know. I probably will be looking for short positions, though. Probably will be looking for short positions. But it's going to be best. I'm not going to short when the market's just going crazy. I'm going to let it kind of calm down before I make a decision. And might not even trade for the rest of the day. Might exit this trade, take my money, and run. Wow, I mean, that was crazy, guys. That dump there, massive. But yeah, look at all these asks. These are all sell orders. 47K is a big one. And then 50K. Yep. That's the sell orders. Pump to 50K. It might top out. Like if it does pump, it might top out. I can't wait to get this news over with, though. It's really annoying. Like, news every day. Bitcoin ETF this, Bitcoin ETF that, Bitcoin ETF this every single day. It's really annoying. And it pumps and dumps the market constantly. So I'm ready to get rid of that news. Is everybody else tired of the Bitcoin ETF news too? Yeah, let's move on, right? Yeah, it's good to have stability in the market. Hey, Mike, how's it going, brother? What indicator is this? So this is called the heat map. I use Trading Light. It's a platform that I use for it. Well, you can see the heat map of where the limit orders are in the order book. And I can adjust the heat. So this is like 1,000 Bitcoin. And I can reduce it. And we can see all these other orders. Depending on how much Bitcoin is there, this is for Bitcoin. And it's different with every exchange, of course. We can see whether there's a high chance for a bounce or whether it can crash. That's why if we look at yesterday, we can see there was about 1,000 Bitcoin, 500 here before the pump, and then a huge pump all the way up to the level, and then boom, right back down. And yeah, they can still delete and remove sell orders whenever they want. So these can come and go. It doesn't mean that the price is going to stop there, but it's very likely that if the orders hold, the price will find a reaction with the levels. So yeah, it actually did. You know, people were asking about Algosniper. It did give us a sell alert before the crash. Right here. So I like to take a look at Bitcoin on Binance and then Bitcoin futures. There's going to be different orders, different levels with those as well. But for futures, 52,000 is the major level. I mean, look at these wicks. That's bullish. That's really what you want to see on a support level. XRP still up on the day. Look at this huge wick recovering. You guys need to check out my XRP video. I posted an XRP video as my latest video. I talk about Ripple. They're doing a huge buyback of 300 million shares. They're about to IPO. They're about to do an ETF. You guys do not want to sleep on XRP. It's going to be one of the best coins that you can ever invest into, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Put my stop loss back. You guys saw how I removed my stop loss and put it back? They almost took me out. And now, if I'd have got stopped out, they'd have took a lot of money. You got to be quick. But let's pump it back. Let's pump it. If they pump it from here, that's going to be amazing. All right, guys, I'm back. All right, guys, I was back. I'm back. What did I miss? Okay, we got some headlines. I'm gonna check it out. Let's see how the market reacts. CBOE informs SEC it's withdrawing acceleration requests for 6 spot Bitcoin ETFs. Analysts say it may have jumped the gun and decision-making process shouldn't be affected. The Block Pro. So basically, the information they put it out too early. They had to withdraw the information, and that does not affect the decision by the SEC. So bullish. Can I look at Ethereum? Yeah. Still very bullish. But I think we're going to probably get a pullback soon, guys. I think Ethereum will get a pullback. We'll see. It might keep going up with this news. I have no idea. It's up to the whales at this point, what they do. But according to the charts, Ethereum is breaking out. It should go up, according to the charts. But we're in a very volatile time period with this crazy news, and it can just crash and pump 3 times over in 10 minutes. So we need to let this news come out, the market digest the news, and then the market can start acting normally without this crazy crashing and pumping every 5 seconds. So about 18 minutes left. The market's going to go crazy. So many traps out there. 100%. 100%. Oh, wow. We're back in business, fellas. We're back in business. Look at how quickly this thing recovered. This is right where we just were before it dumped, and now completely recovered. So we're back to $1,300 profits. At $2,000, I'm probably going to cut. And I have other trades running. I'll take $2,000. Maybe if I get it. Oh, they're probably going to dump it. This is crazy. They pump it 1%, dump it. This is crazy. Where are the big dump trucks at now? That's funny. I'm tired, boss. I'm tired. Okay, so the SEC apparently has now approved ETF. Okay. I think the ETF is now approved. I need to get out of this trade though. Wow, look at this, guys. What is going on? Just showed it. Official SEC approved spot ETFs. I guess that's it. Okay, it's official, guys. It's official. Spot ETF is live. Or approved. So Ethereum is pushing to new highs, but Bitcoin is going lower. Crazy. I've never seen crazy volatility like that. So yes, it's approved. It's fully approved according to sources. Wow. Okay, back to pumping? Question mark. All right, if you guys give this video a thumbs up, if you appreciate the live stream, bringing you the news right at the minutes, at the hour that you need to hear. If you love crypto, make sure you guys give this channel a subscribe. That you guys subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that I post every day. Constantly updating you the truth in the crypto market, giving you guys awesome technical analysis, and helping you guys ultimately make money. That's why you can join my Patreon. Check out my video description. I have a whole bunch of things that help you guys make money, including my trading indicator, Algosniper, who this stream is sponsored by. You guys can follow my alerts where I'm posting buy and sell alerts every single week. This trade's up $1,000. Was up $2,000 at some point today. But I post trade alerts like this, all different types of cryptos at 50x, 10x. We get a few of those a year, but we make really good investments. And if you guys want to make money like that, join the Patreon. Joe, is it approved? Yes. Okay, so now it's not officially approved. Jesus, man. How many approves are we gonna get? Oh my gosh. Wait. Okay, so I think it's it. It's real. It's real. Watcher Gurus finally posted it. Let's go to the SEC website. Nothing about the ETF. But it's official. It's official. DB is the source, I guess. But these are like official news channels. ETF approved. ETF approved. ETF approved. Zoomer. Spot ETF approved. The SEC. This is the official document. It's a lot of Chinese, so you're gonna have to. I think this is it. Yeah, this is it. This is a document. You guys can have access to this. Go to my Twitter. Go to my Twitter, follow my Twitter, and you're gonna see the first thing that I posted below. It's the official SEC document. You can click on it. Let me post it in the chat so you guys could read it. Oh, that's not it. Yeah, that's not it. Sorry, guys. Oh, no, I did this wrong. It's a PDF document. But if you guys have, you go to my Twitter, follow my Twitter, Miles G Invest. The link is also in my video description. But the market's selling off. Why is it going down? Buy the rumors, sell the news. There's going to be a lot of volatility. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. But the market pretty much pumped. It anticipated the whole move already. So that was the pump. So it's buy the rumors, sell the news, I think. But Ethereum made a new high off that. A lot of coins are kind of heading down at the moment, yeah. Now, the SEC has made it official on their website. They're not going to make a Twitter post. It's going to be on their website. So we're going to see crazy volatility. It's going to go up, it's going to go down, but the market's eventually going to settle out. Gary reminds me of Pee-wee Herman. I agree with that. I agree with that. I used to love the Pee-wee Herman movies and the shows. It's amazing. I grew up with that. Seawell, no, it got approved. The Bitcoin ETFs, for full disclosure, are fully approved. So guys, go to my Twitter, check out the official ETF document. And look, they approved it right before 4 p.m. They front ran it. Okay, so according to this expert, order granting accelerated approval. It's over. Thank God. I mean, the volatility is bananas. Let's see it go up. It's already dumped a million times. Let's go up now. Let's pump. We've just dealt with 10 crashes in the past 24 hours. I think it's time for us to go up. What do you think? It's pumping. Oh my gosh. Wouldn't it be funny though if they came out and said the SEC was hacked, that's not real? Then we have to go through this again. Pumped up. Pumped up 3%, crashed 3%, pumped back up 2%. Jeez. Yep, that's it. That is it. The market is going to eventually settle out of this crazy volatility, and then it's going to make a clear direction. But we are in a bull market. We're making new highs. We're in an uptrend. But a correction after all this crazy excitement would not be out of the norm. So it looks like 48,000 was the top for now. That might be the local top, and we might eventually kind of chop around, correct a little bit. But the ETFs are going to go live tomorrow. And guess what also is going to happen with the ETFs going live? The companies that are hosting the ETFs, whatever you want to call them, these brokerages, they're doing huge buybacks. So they're going to buy billions of dollars of these ETFs. So we might see some buying pressure tomorrow. The SEC's website is down. No way, man. Let me see this. It's probably because it can't handle that type of traffic. Nope, we can see it's up. Yeah, I don't know how to look up anything. I have no idea how to look up stuff on the SEC's website. But the market's pumping again. We're back in business. The trade is up $1,200. Thank God. I almost round tripped. Hopefully they pump it this time. They were shaking everybody out. Now they're going to pump it. Let's go. Yeah, that's the decision. It's approved. What? The SEC document? All right. I'm going to have to take profit soon because they're going to crash this thing in like 2 seconds. Let's see if there's any more news. What the fuck? Excuse my language. Apparently that file, the file was deleted. So I need to take profits before they crash it. Come on, let me get some more. I'm at a casino, man. This is a casino. The Bitcoin casino. The Bitcoin ETF casino. Welcome. Trading on Blowfin. I'm up $1,300. I'm gonna close this thing soon. The way this thing is looking though, how it's recovered massively is bullish. So we might get a big pop. I'm gonna have to take profits here, fellas. I'm tired of the volatility. I'm tired. This is insane. Have the SEC actually deleted that? I don't think that link, look at this tweet, guys. This is the mood of the SEC. That's hilarious. The SEC mood. I love it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take profits. Hopefully they don't crash it. Yep. This is just insane. Check Ethereum. Wow. Amazing. XRP, yay. Cardano up 4%. Look at this. It's bullish. It's bullish. Chainlink 5%. Matic 6%. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. I think that's an official approval. I feel like since that was deleted though, there's gonna be more FUD though. I feel like there's gonna be some more crazy FUD. Hey, that wasn't the SEC. No, it is approved. It is approved. Is this a glitch in the matrix? Yes. No, it's approved by official news sources. I'm trying to research more for you all. See, back down. I should have took profits there. It's just so fast. I'm trying to do some research and trade at the same time. But I'll be better off closing this. I'm tired of this position here. It's brought me stress and heartache. Even crypto.com, all these major exchanges are citing the approval. We've surely been on a roller coaster today, though. One heck of a roller coaster. But all these ETF experts, they're like still speaking on. Like this is a Bloomberg analyst. This guy is a ETF genius, basically. And they're very confident that it's been approved. Okay, so they just moved the approval file. I have the file. I'm gonna pull it up for us. Oh wait, no. I'll get it for us soon, don't worry. So if you guys want to have access to profitable trade alerts, make sure you join my Patreon. I'm posting out trade alerts, trade signals for long and short signals, for altcoins when to buy and sell them. We get into huge coins that sometimes they do like 10x, 50x. We did a 50x a couple months ago, and we did a couple 2x's. But all the links for what I'm talking about are going to be in my video description. So that's the link for that. If you guys want a platform to trade on, up to 125x leverage, where you guys are seeing me here, you guys can trade over on Blowfin. The link is going to be pinned up there. It's very cheap fees. They're giving away basically $2,000 in deposit bonuses to use it. And then, of course, we are sponsored by Algosniper. This thing is amazing. Look, it called the bottom of Bitcoin on the daily time frame at 25,000. You guys can try today for free, algosniper.com. And it keeps you in the trade. Look, it sells, it says sell, and then it crashes. Sell, crash, buy, and then it goes up. Like, this thing is absolutely amazing. Take a look at the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. It gave us a buy alert at 21,000, and we're still riding it up. If we go to Solana, it gave us a buy alert on the daily time frame. $17. This thing is amazing. It tells you when to sell. Like, look, it says sell and then it crashes. Buy, it goes up, sell. I mean, it's very good. Finally approved, right? Yeah. Wow, we're making new highs. So oh no, we're not at new highs. I was thinking that was yesterday. Okay, so our trade's back up to $1,500 in profit. Looks like the market's gonna pump here. Oh my gosh, Ethereum just broke out. Wow, look at this. 2,500. XRP is breaking out. Now for the website to get to Algosniper, you just go to algosniper.com. Just reloading it here. Yeah, I mean, it's amazing platform. You guys should definitely check it out. Computer's being a little slow right now because I'm running the stream. XRP, the old man, for sure. It's already announced, Darwin. It's already, the ETF is already completely approved. Wow, look at that candle. So we're up 25%. You can see in the bottom left corner, $50,000 position. Yeah, everything's about to pump here big. I think XRP is about to make a big move for sure. Wow. Ethereum up 15% in just the last couple days. It's amazing. Everything is super green right now, guys. So the market's finally pumping. The market's finally reacting. All this selling craziness is done with for now. Now the market can just do what it's going to do. It's a bull market, guys. This thing's probably going to keep pumping. Yeah, I was up $2,000 this afternoon, which I should have took, and then I could have re-entered and made it back again. But hey, you live and learn. Wow, XRP is really moving. Wow, look at that. It's great. It's on the SEC website. It's completely official. Every single news outlet is reporting it's official because they have these sources from the SEC itself. Make sure you guys give this live stream a thumbs up if you love crypto, and make sure you are most important to the videos that when the news comes out, I make a video and let you know exactly what's going on for XRP, a lot of altcoins, Bitcoin. You guys can follow my Twitter, MilesGInvest. The link for everything I'm talking about, just click on the video description. And I have a lot of things to help you make money. Appreciate it, Finn. Thank you, man. Thanks for being here to help out. Do I recommend opening a long? No, I don't recommend any trades right now. The market's too volatile. Let the markets, I don't get past all this crazy news. And yeah. It's not going to be as volatile anymore, though. There's not going to be this, oh, it's denied, delayed. Like, that stuff is crashing and pumping it. I only see good news coming out from now. Wow, look at Ethereum just going crazy while Bitcoin is just doing nothing. Man, I wanted to buy Ethereum this morning and I didn't. So stupid. Up 10%. That's amazing. Oh no, this morning it was here. Yeah, I wanted to buy here. I would have done really good. Bitcoin is an old grandpa. Looks like it's dumping a little bit again. Well, everything else is going up. Bonk is going up. XRP, wow, it just pumped. Ethereum. Everything's kind of pulling back a little bit. Yeah. I'm probably going to take profits. I'm tired of holding and looking at this trade. The constant pumping and dumping. Do I do lives on the Patreon? No. Sometimes I do a private live with them. But I give you guys all the information as soon as I get it. And I tell you guys when I'm getting in and out of trades. And then whenever I suggest trades. I haven't suggested pretty much anything at all this week because of the ETF news. I want this to pass so we can have a clear direction, clear sense of direction of what the market's doing. Yeah, Pepe is starting to take off. Oh my gosh, look at ARB. Oh my goodness. Up 20%. Man. ICP up 4%. All the altcoins are just going crazy right now. Ethereum Classic up big. But Bitcoin just going down. All right, guys, that's going to be it for the live stream. Thank you so much for coming. It was great hanging out with you all. And we'll probably be back at it tomorrow. So make sure you guys give a thumbs up,